Shut up and sit down.
Hey everyone, welcome. So, I've got something awesome to share with you guys. In the group that I'm in on Facebook, I won a giveaway. It was, I guess, for the most comments or something like that. Anyhow, Amber Scott is who runs the group, and it's an amazing group. You guys have seen me open some of the things that we trade with, anyhow, so if you guys want more information, let me know and I'll do a video of it, and then you guys can go and check it out. But normally I would open this first, because I've noticed it takes me too long. But I have to show you guys how cute she decorated this. It is super heavy too, but look at that. Look how stinking cute this is. Oops, bump y'all. And then look how cute. I absolutely love it, and I love the paper that she used. And then look at hers. Oops, gosh, I keep bumping y'all. See if I can do it that way. Love it. And then on this side, oops, let me turn it this way. She's got these, I don't know, just girls, different, it's washi tape though. Like this is washi tape. Look how cute. But she's got that goes all the way around. Yes, I'm trying to be very careful.
Shut up and sit down.
More sequins. I'm sorry for the lighting. It's just with all the smoke outside, there's just no sun at all. Wow, look at all these goodies. Oh, look how cute. Nachos and naps. I am so with that. For sure. That is super cute. I could put like all my little loose stickers in this. That would be awesome. Love it. Oh my goodness. Follow your dreams. Oh, this would be great for my daughter because she's in school. That is very, very, very cool. Awesome. Yes, that would be perfect for my kiddo. This is Nacho Book. I love it. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. Another great thing for me to put my notes in. I've been doing a lot better about doing my notes. Just chilling. Oh, it's a little koala bear. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. That is just too stinking cute. Oh, so cute. I love koala bears. They are just adorable. Aw, and the little tigers. Wow. Oh, more sequins. My daughter will steal this because she loves tigers. Anything to do with cats, lions, tigers, bears, oh my. Some Lavender. Oh, aromas. Very cool. If this doesn't have aloe in it, I will definitely try this. For sure. I wonder if this would be good for like my daughter because she gets car sick. So I wonder if this would help her. Yes, definitely. Like my middle name is Stress. Oh man, this would be great for my kiddo too. I don't think there's aloe in it. Nope, no aloe. Oh, I can use this. Awesome, awesome. Alright. That's alright. We gotta open this because I want to smell this. I love lavender, by the way. I love the smell. I love the flowers. Oh my gosh, that smells so good, you guys. Oh, that smells. It does. It smells amazing. Wow. Ah, cool. Some glitter markers. And it's got blues and greens. Yay. Love it. Oh, awesome. Well, you'll be seeing me use these in some of my crafty projects for sure. Oh, look at this! So sticky notes. Oh, how fun! Oh, look at this. I love it. All the flowers and the leaves. Oh, where did she find this? I love this. Very cool. Oh my gosh, Amber, I'm telling you, if you're watching this, I love it. You are the coolest. Let's see. So congratulations. You are the winner of Happy Mail Pals 1-year anniversary giveaway. Thank you for being an active member. It means a lot to me. Admin Amber. Oh, and look how cute. You guys, I'm telling you, if you want to check it out, just let me know and I'll do a video or I'll send you the email. Oh, look at this. Now, I don't wear earrings, but my daughter does, so I will definitely give this to her, and she loves unicorns. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Oh, adorable, adorable. Uh-oh. Look how cute. Watermelon scented. As long as there is no aloe. I just know a lot of people use aloe in their stuff now, and I'm allergic to it. Is that sad? It's like the best thing for you, and I'm allergic to it. That really stinks. Let's smell this. That is so cute. Look how cute that is. Love it. Oh, look. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to get the light better. There we go. Oh, it does. It smells just like watermelon. Oh my gosh. Too cute. Lots of little sequins. Oh, look how adorable. So this is an overlap journal. Oh, cute. Okay, my daughter will love this. I'm trying to get my daughter into like just that, I don't know if diary is really the word people use anymore, but journaling, like write her thoughts down every day, how she's feeling, like something for herself. So, and it's a unicorn. She will love it. Ooh, Mini clipboard. Ah, look at that! I love it! Okay, we gotta open this one.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, that is adorable, and it says, "Let love builds happy home." Oh, look. Let me see that. That is stinking cute. And I love that. The chevron. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. Too cute. I think this is candy. Cherry. Ooh, cherry. Cherry's my favorite. I wonder if I'll like this. Alright, cool. It's just to like go over the wrist or something. I've never seen these before. Very, very cool. Aww. Ooh. More sequins. Flavored lip balm. This is, ooh, cotton candy. Alright. Very, very cool. And it's got Twilight. Yes, I'm finally remembering her names. Twilight Sparkle, Rainbow Dash, and Rarity. And it's got Twilight Sparkle on there. How cute! Should I open it? Should I open it and smell it? Yeah, let's open it and smell it. Who doesn't love cotton candy? Like, I mean, I don't like it all the time, but when we go to like the fair or the carnival, you know, you gotta get some cotton candy for sure. You know what I mean? Just one of those things. Lost my scissors over there.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh, it does. It smells like cotton candy, and it's blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you guys can see that. The lighting is horrible. Let me try turning this light off. I don't know if that was worse or... I think that was worse. Ooh, that does smell good. That smells like cotton candy. Very cool. My gosh, this has got a ton of stuff in here. Oh, it's tape! Look at that! Very Christmassy. I love it. The washi tape. The red glitter. Doesn't say. Doesn't have a color, but red. Very, very pretty. Love that. Oh, llamas! Well, llamacorns, I guess. How cute! Ooh, my daughter draws, so she could definitely do like her little sketches in here. I love that. Look how cute. Llamacorns. I'm gonna call them llamacorns. There you go. There might be a different name for them. I don't know. Ooh, what in the world is this? Glitter body gel, strawberry. Wow. Okay, I cannot see what the ingredients are. So I will have to take my time to definitely read. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't right now. But if there's not aloe, ooh, we could try some. If there is, then my daughter will get this. Let's see if we can smell it. I don't want to get it on me. Oh, it does. It smells like strawberries. Very, very, very cool. More sequins. That got inside there. Oh, look how cute. I need adventure. Yes. Look how adorable. All the rainbows. Love it, love it, love it. I love sticky notes. Love it. Oh my goodness. Are you getting the theme here? Unicorns. Look at these. I love it. Love it. Yes. Yes, love it. Unicorn magic. Is that rock and roll? Come on. I want to see if that's rock and roll. Oh, roll with it. Right on. Roll with it. And it's got ice cream. Oh my gosh. I hope I was still in frame when I was doing that. Too stinking cute. Do you remember those? I'm pretty sure they probably still sell them. The pop rings. Love that. Ah, that's where it was coming from. They're all, she just added the sequins in the box. How cute. Sit back and relax. Love that. I love these kind of notebooks. Oh my gosh. Very, very cool. Okay, I think that was it. Yes. Oh, it's got... Ah! Look at that. A little unicorn. How stinking cute. I'll have to get the rest of those sequins out. Absolutely adorable. Okay, wow, let's look at this. Holy cow. Look at these goodies. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's gonna all fit in the screen, but I'm gonna do my best. Here we go. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Amber, that, wow. Holy cow. Thank you so much. Let me see if I can bring you down. Change that up just a little bit. There you go. Look at that.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. And now you can see that a little better. And this, maybe you can see this better now. Love it, love it. Oh my gosh, Amber, seriously, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I love it all. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let you guys go. I will see you Friday on my craft day. In fact, you might even see some of this being used. So, I will see you then. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you have not already. And you guys, I do secret giveaways every now and then. In fact, I've got one going on. Oh no, it just ended. I just had one as secret giveaway. So you never know. You gotta watch my videos to see if you're gonna win something. So share my videos, okay? Like, comment, hit the notification bell, and definitely, come back, subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, love you guys. Bye.